Hi, I'm Anika Ray. I'm an Akashic Records Advanced Certified Teacher and Advanced Practitioner. I have been reading the Akashic Records for over 10 years and teaching for over 8 years. And I've seen some very powerful transformations happening in my life and lives of my clients and students because of this work. And I'm so happy that you're here. If you are a spiritual seeker and light worker that is really ready to discover the Akashic Records and to read them for yourself or for others, but you're still dealing with some doubts or fears, I want to really invite you into this Akashic Beginning Practitioner Certification. After this class, you will feel confident and comfortable to access and read the records for yourself and for others with my mentorship and with my hands-on approach. And you see, I can relate to all the doubts and fears. In the very beginning, I really thought that I needed a special gift to read the Akashic Records. And even after I started to read the book, I still wasn't sure if I was doing it right. But with teaching and mentoring, I really got over all of that. And I know this class will do the same thing for you. During this class, we'll cover not only what the Akashic Records are, but we'll go into uses and benefits of the records. And obviously, we'll learn the ins and outs of the pathway prayer process, which is the method that I am teaching through the Howe Center for the Akashic Studies. I want you to feel energized as you step into this work and remove any kind of blocks and doubts that you may have. I hope you can join me, and I'm looking forward to meeting you.